Welcome back to Made Simple. Today we're going to be talking about how you can add a watermark to an Excel file. But before we begin, please subscribe, smash that like button, it helps me out a ton. Alright, so adding a watermark to an Excel file is actually super simple, but there are a couple things you need to know. Before doing this, and you need to download an image of a watermark. And you can just Google search like draft watermark, and I'm not telling you to plagiarize, but find a free version or that's not copyrighted or licensed, and you can download that and use that as your picture. Once you have that, what you're going to want to do is go to the Insert tab, and then go over here to Text, and then click Header and Footer. And it's going to kind of take you in a different view, and what you're going to want to do then is decide where you want to place your watermark. So you have these three boxes here, and let's just, for this example, let's just place it in this middle box. And we're going to go to Picture, and then you're going to want to find where you saved that watermark picture. In this case, I just put it under three objects on my computer. I'll just go ahead and click on that watermark and hit Insert. And so what it's going to do is going to say and it's going to have in brackets picture. So what we're going to do is just enter out of that, and we're going to see here that it's going to put that watermark behind the text. But let's say, we don't want that watermark there. We want it a little lower or something like that. We could just hit enter, add a couple extra spaces, and then we'll see that it moves down or up or wherever. And we can rearrange this to be put in this box to be displayed more on the right side of the page or the left side of the page. And this is currently set up to show you what it looks like if you were to print this page. So now, if I were to go back to a normal view, my watermark is going to disappear. But I promise you, it is still there. If you go to print this page, or you go back to that view, you're going to see that that watermark is still there. So this is essentially the simplest way to add a watermark to an Excel file. So when you go to print this, it's going to have your watermark there for you. The biggest challenge is just finding a watermark that you like, and that's all there is to it. So if you have a question, please leave a comment, subscribe, smash that like button, and have a great rest of your day.